Welcome to Eat Me! I'm Michelina.
And I'm Gabriella.
Gabriella?
Yes?
You know when you're in the shops and something jumps out at you and just says, Eat me?
Yes, why?
Well, that's what we do on this channel.
We have new and exciting things that just say,
Eat me! Today we'll be having Crackles.
That's right, we're having Crackles.
Crackles are a South African product, and in Afrikaans we call them slangetjies. And the flavor is savory pea noodles. That's a flavor?
It sounds weird.
The ingredients are pea flours. Pea flour.
Not a surprise.
Salt. Chilies. I wonder if it's gonna be spicy. Vegetable oil. Are you ready to eat these crackles?
Yes, I'm so excited but nervous at the same time just to see if it's disgusting or not.
I don't think it'll be disgusting.
What's pea flour?
Now, this is why we call them slangetjies. They're little snakes.
Okay, let's have our first one.
They're quite nice.
You can't taste the flavor in the first one.
Well, oh wait, there's a chili aftertaste.
No, I like it. Chili aftertaste.
Like, oh, this isn't so bad. Chili. They're so fragile. They don't really have a shape to them. And they break so easily. They're very crunchy and delicious.
They taste really good.
These would be perfect snacks for movie night.
They 100% live up to their name. They're 100% crackly.
I agree. Gabriella, I've got an idea. We can play a game with these. Let's see who can build the longest chain. Wait a minute. This looks like a G.
It does. I'm looking for 10.
So far, I'm winning.
No!
Nope, I'm losing.
I have like loads really ones.
Well, too bad, because No, but this one's got a straight edge. That isn't gonna work.
Oh, look at mine.
How would you... Well, nothing's gonna loop onto that bottom one. Telling you that now.
Something.
This game's quite difficult.
Why does mine keep on breaking?
Because they're fragile.
And another girly one.
Wait. Please. Oh wow, Gabriella. We could play this game for hours and not succeed.
Well, Lena, you know we've been having it one at a time.
Yeah?
Why don't we take a whole handful and have it all together and see if it tastes any different?
3, 2, 1. Oh, there's that chili aftertaste. Okay, let's just say if you have a lot at once, here's gonna be a chili aftertaste. At first, like, that's not too bad. It's beautiful, it's crunchy, and then it punches you in the face with chili. My favorite thing about Crackles is they're just so great to have as a snack.
The best thing for me is that you can't stop eating them after you've had one, but it's also the worst because then you can't stop eating them.
That's a savage right there. If you guys are able to find these Crackles, I really suggest them. They are super tasty and delicious.
Ooh. I've just had so many. This is so spicy.
Yeah, you've eaten more than me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember